As the second Students' Week and Founders' Day program organized by the Campus Life Directorate of Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, entered its second day, the students presented a number of programs. The first presentation was Inter-School Debate, where two topics were presented. The first topic was Conventional Education is Better Than Online Education, while the second topic was Should Nigeria Invest More on Agriculture or on Technology to Drive Economic Growth and Development? The second event presented was the cooking competition, during which the participants, female students, displayed their various cooking skills and talents in the presence of students and management staff of the university. The cooking competition was aimed at improving students' cooking talent and was held on Tuesday, the 11th of July 2023 at the university sport complex. Other activities that were competed for during the second day were the sack race, egg on spoon race, as well as picking sweets blindfolded. During the various competitions, selected students from various existing schools of the university participated fully. Participants who emerged winners in various competitions were recorded by a committee of juries who assigned marks for each winner. Among the management staff that graced the event include the founder and chairman, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, the president of the university, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, and other members were Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance Dr. Noura Yaro, Vice President Campus Life Dr. Hamza Garba, Secretary General Association of Africa Private Universities AAPU Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, among others.